Hi you guys, I am Mala. I am back with another video for you guys. So today is going to be a makeup tutorial and it is going to be a bronzed nude natural shimmery look. It is something that you can wear during the day or during the night. It is versatile, it's easy to do, and it's coming up right now. Let's go! Let's go! Guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is put some clips on my hair because we have to do our makeup and my hair is all over my face right now. Okay, I love these flowery clips. How cute are these? Oh, oh, it just happened. Okay, so this goes over here, this goes over here. And now we have our face already. Acha, so all I've done so far is I've put my favorite, my Clinique Moisture Surge on my face, and that has done the prep for our look. And I am going to start with the concealer. Now, one of my favorite concealers is this one. It's MAC Studio Finish Concealer SPF 35 and this is in the shade NC45. Now I use this concealer to cover the wonderful darkness under my eyes. Ta-da! Concealer is done. And now I'm going to move on to my foundation. Today I'm going to use my Bobbi Brown foundation. I'll just show it to you. This is one of my favorites. It's Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation SPF 15. I love the fact that most of these concealers and foundations and compacts have SPF in them. And my shade is 4.5 Warm Natural. This is what the bottle looks like. It's pretty. Okay, and I am going to use my Real Techniques Miracles, what is it called? Miracle Complexion Sponge from Real Techniques. It's very nice, one of my favorites. I alternate between my Beauty Blender and my Miracle Complexion Sponge. Such a long complicated name. This is a pack brush. This is 307 number. Spreading the foundation on my neck, I really prefer a buffing brush or a stippling brush. This is Real Techniques stippling brush, one of my favorites for foundation. Alright, you guys know that I always finish my foundation by setting it with my Studio Fix. This is NC40 and this is my exact skin tone, so I always set my foundation with this, but I am not gonna do that today and I'll tell you why. Today I've used this foundation, and whenever I use this foundation or when I use my Estee Lauder Stay in Place, I do not set it with a setting powder because they set to such a matte finish that, you know, if I was to set it with it, it would be very cakey and slightly dry. If you have a very oily skin type, then please go ahead and set your foundation with your powder. But these are long-lasting luxury foundations and they do not go anywhere even if you do not use the powder. It's up to you. I do not use it. And I use these foundations on set also, and for at least 12 hours my foundation is fine. Maybe more, but at least 12 for sure. Now we move on to, you guessed it right, You must have thought that I was reaching out for the next makeup product. No, 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 no. I was reaching out for my coffee. Okay, too hot, too hot. Okay, so a nice bronzed look cannot be achieved without a drumroll bronzer. And where is our bronzer? Ta-da! 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 I haven't even started having the black coffee. Maybe I shouldn't because the energy level is already through the roof, and after that there might just be a mala shaped hole in my roof. So I am using my Body Shop bronzer today. Light Matte is the name of the shade, 01 is the number of the shade. This is from Body Shop, and apparently it's broken. How? Okay, never mind. So for my bronzer I have this, and you can tell how much I love it by looking at this. So what I do is, did you actually see the powder go flying out of my brush? To tell you about the brush. So this one is the Sculpting Brush from Real Techniques by Sam and Nick, and this is angular and it is perfect for the contours of your face, and it's so soft, you guys. I love these brushes. They're very, very soft. Now I love the natural finish on my cheeks and my forehead, but for my jawline and nose, I am still going to use my, come on, you know it. You know what I'm gonna say. Yes, you guessed it right. I'm gonna use my NW50 MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation. This is NW50 and this is my favorite foundation for contouring. And just to add on to my bronzed look, I want a little bit of this. A little bit of Erica in my life. A little bit of... Not a little bit of, a lot of. Don't worry. Nothing to worry about. It does look worrisome, doesn't it? Like, ye kya hua? But do not worry, once we merge it, it will be fabulous. Drinkable. Would you like a sip? Yes, it is a little too full. Me and my big cup of joe. Now, dance break here. No dance break till we fill our brows. Here comes our trusty eyebrow pencil. We brush. you guys, we are going to move on to, any guesses? Eyes, of course. Okay, for our bronze look, what else can we use but a pretty bronze palette? I know there are a lot of products in this makeup tutorial that are from Body Shop, but that's neither planned nor sponsored, so please excuse the coincidence. Itchy nose. Now, I love this palette. It is beautiful. Just look at that shimmer brick. This one is Shimmer Waves, and rightly so. There is too much shimmer and they are in the form of waves. Oh look, there's a little birdie on my ring. Little birdie. Hi little birdie. Okay, back to the tutorial. I'm going to take my Real Techniques eyeshadow brush. It's called Base Shadow Brush. Okay, I am going to take these two. I love to mix and match. Now this is the base of the eyes. I am going to take a little bit of the dark one. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. Now that I formed the socket, I feel like it's not merged properly. So I am loving the effect, but I want it to look more natural and merged. I'm going to take my other eye brush. This one is again from Real Techniques and it's called Deluxe Crease Brush. And the Deluxe Crease Brush I shall use to merge the crease and make it more natural. And now on this side, again I'm gonna merge it so I no longer see this distinct demarcation. There we go. And also I am going to take another foundation brush and make sure anything that was on the under eye gets taken care of. I love this foundation brush. It's so delicate, perfect for under the eyes. This one is from MAC and this is number 188. Next I'm going to take an angular brush like this. This one is from Vega. It's called Angular Blender. I'm going to take one of the shades that we took for the eyeshadow. This shade I'm going to put under the eyes so the bronzed shimmery look continues throughout. I want it to be a little more defined, so I'll put a little bit of the darker shade as well. Same thing on this eye. And last but not the least is our inner socket. And how can that be deprived of some shimmer? I just tossed off my brush. So for the inner socket, we are going to use this beautiful shimmery shade. Next is mascara. I am using my trusty Maybelline Lash Sensation Effect Eventail Hydrofuge. Long name for a mascara, guys. Alright you guys, now for blusher, I am again gonna keep it according to the theme today, and it is going to be bronzish. And this is our blusher today. This one is again, okay, this in no way was planned. I do not know how all of these products are turning out to be from the Body Shop. So again, not a sponsored video. Okay, this is my blusher for the day. It's called Brush on Bronze. Brush on Bronze. Nice, I like that name. And it has really pretty beads. Yep. And these beads are full of color, and that color is going straight on my apples. Straight on the apples of my cheeks. Else on my face is bronze and shimmery, I am going to keep my lips matte. So I am going to use my Color Bar lip pencil. The shade is burnt pink and the number of the shade is 015. It's called Color Bar Definer Lip Liner, and I love this one. It's completely nude and it goes perfectly with our shimmery golden bronzy look. And guys, this is so guys, summer is here and it is here most of the year, but it is the perfect time for our bronzed look. It totally goes with the weather and it goes amazingly well with our skin tone. We have a warm undertone as Indians, and anybody who has an olive skin or a warm skin or a tan skin or Indian skin, we have a yellow undertone, and yellow or warm undertones go perfectly with bronze as a palette. So all things bronze are summery and shimmery. Guys, I hope you liked the video. Please give me a thumbs up if you did, and please like, subscribe and please like, subscribe and share, and also remember to press the bell icon next to the subscribe button. I don't know what I'm doing. These are supposed to be bells. I hope you got it, because otherwise it's just weird. I will see you super soon. Bye.